Hello, my amazing learners, and welcome back to the Wisdom English podcast. My name is Sarah. When was the last time you avoided an English phone call? You see an unknown number, your heart starts racing, and you let it ring until it stops. Or maybe a friend says, "Can you call and ask about this for me?" And you find every excuse to avoid it. That fear is completely normal, but today, that fear ends. Today is day 3 of our 30-day shadowing journey, and we are going to master the art of the English phone call. You will learn 10 golden sentences that work in almost any situation, and we will practice them together until they feel completely natural. And make sure you stay with me until the very end, because I'll reveal the simple secret that will make you feel confident every single time you pick up the phone. Before we begin, I want you to give me 30 days. For 30 days, we will cover 30 topics about your real, everyday life. Before you try to learn advanced, complicated English, you must be able to confidently talk about what happens around you first. I know that when you're in a real situation, you might freeze up. You might keep translating from your native language in your head. You might panic and search for vocabulary. Let me tell you a secret. All that advanced vocabulary and complex grammar you've memorized doesn't always help you speak naturally. You know why? Because native speakers don't always use fancy words. We use simple words and phrases and patterns that can sometimes be confusing. That's what we're going to fix together, through practicing everyday native expressions. The method is simple. You hear a sentence, you say a sentence. Just copy and repeat after me in the pause. Give me 30 days, and I promise you will be able to speak about your life more naturally. No more translating in your head, no more searching for words, just natural English flowing out. Are you ready to commit to this journey with me? Let's start shadowing. Part 1. The 10 golden sentences for any phone call. These 10 sentences are your essential toolkit for professional and polite phone conversations in English. We are going to practice each one, and I will explain a little bit about why it's so useful. Let's begin. Hello, this is Sarah speaking. Hello, this is Sarah speaking. This is a classic, professional, and clear way to introduce yourself when you answer the phone. It's much better than just saying, "Hello," because it immediately tells the caller who they are speaking to. It works perfectly whether you are answering your personal phone or a phone at your workplace. How can I help you today? How can I help you today? This is a standard and very polite phrase used in customer service and professional environments. It's a proactive way to ask what the caller needs. It shows that you are ready and willing to assist them. It's much more professional than just saying, "What do you want? May I ask who's calling? May I ask who's calling?" If you answer the phone and the person does not give their name, this is the most polite way to ask for it. The phrase, "May I ask?" is a very soft and formal way to ask a question. It's much more polite than saying, "Who are you?" "One moment, please. Let me check." "One moment, please. Let me check." This is a perfect phrase to use when you need to put someone on hold for a short time to find some information. "One moment, please," is a polite way to ask someone to wait. And "let me check" clearly communicates what you are doing. It's a very useful and professional phrase. "I'm sorry, could you repeat that?" I'm sorry, could you repeat that? It is perfectly okay if you don't understand something someone says on the phone. The connection might be bad, or they might be speaking too fast. This is a polite and confident way to ask for clarification. It shows that you are listening carefully and you want to understand correctly. Could you speak a little slower, please? Could you speak a little slower, please? This is another essential phrase for English learners. If someone is speaking too quickly for you to understand, it is completely acceptable to ask them to slow down. This is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of a smart communicator who is making sure they get the information right. Let me write that down for you. Let me write that down for you. This phrase is excellent for confirming important information, like a name, a phone number, or an appointment time. It tells the other person that you are paying close attention to the details and that you are taking their information seriously. It's a very reassuring thing to say. Is there anything else I can help you with? Is there anything else I can help you with? This is a standard and very professional way to check if the caller needs any more assistance before you end the conversation. It shows that you are thorough and that you care about providing good service. Thank you so much for calling. Thank you so much for calling. This is a wonderful way to end a professional phone call. It's polite, warm, and it makes the caller feel appreciated. It's much better than just hanging up. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Ending the call with a positive and friendly wish like, "Have a wonderful day," leaves a great final impression. It's a kind and professional way to say goodbye. Perfect! You now have 10 golden sentences for almost every phone call. Notice how each sentence is polite, professional, and natural. This is exactly how native speakers talk every day. Now, let's put them into action. Part 2. A real phone call conversation. Now, we'll practice a real phone call from start to finish. I want you to see how these 10 sentences appear naturally in a real conversation. The story is, David needs to book a dentist appointment. I'll speak slowly and clearly and you repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Good morning, Bright Smiles Dental. This is Sarah speaking.
Good morning. Bright Smiles Dental. This is Sarah speaking. Good morning. Bright Smiles Dental. This is Sarah speaking. How can I help you today? How can I help you today? Hello, I'd like to make a dental appointment, please. Hello, I'd like to make a dental appointment, please. It's for a teeth cleaning. It's for a teeth cleaning. Of course. May I ask who's calling? Of course. May I ask who's calling? This is David Smith. This is David Smith. Thank you, David. One moment, please. Let me check our schedule. Thank you, David. One moment, please. Let me check our schedule. We have Tuesday at 3 p.m. or Friday at 10 a.m. available. We have Tuesday at 3 p.m. or Friday at 10 a.m. available. Friday at 10 a.m. works perfectly. Friday at 10 a.m. works perfectly. Excellent. Let me write that down for you. Excellent. Let me write that down for you. Friday, March 22nd at 10 a.m. for a teeth cleaning. Can I get your phone number? Friday, March 22nd at 10 a.m. for a teeth cleaning. Can I get your phone number? Sure, it's 550234. Sure, it's 55234. I'm sorry, could you repeat that? The line is a bit unclear. I'm sorry, could you repeat that? The line is a bit unclear. Of course, 555-234. Of course, 555-0234. Perfect, got it. Is there anything else I can help you with? Perfect, got it. Is there anything else I can help you with? No, that's everything. Thank you so much for your help. That's everything. Thank you so much for your help. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Excellent. You just practiced a complete phone call. Did you notice? All 10 of our essential sentences appeared naturally in this one conversation. This is how real conversations flow, not forced, not artificial, just natural and professional. See how smoothly you handled that? You just completed a professional phone call. That confidence you're feeling right now, I want you to hold on to it. Part 3. Role, play practice. Now, we'll practice another full conversation together. Every conversation needs 2 people, so this practice is crucial for understanding both sides of a conversation. I will say each line, and I want you to repeat it after me in the pause. This way, you can practice both roles. Our scenario is that you are booking a doctor's appointment. Are you ready? Let's go. Good morning, City Central Medical. This is Sarah speaking. How can I help you today? Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Allen, please. Of course. May I ask who's calling? This is Daniel. Thank you. One moment, please. Let me check Dr. Allen's schedule. What type of appointment do you need? I need a general checkup. Perfect. We have Monday at 2 p.m. or Wednesday at 11 a.m. available. Which works better for you? Monday at 2 p.m. sounds great. Excellent! Let me write that down for you. Is there anything else I can help you with, Daniel? No, that's everything. Thank you so much for your help. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. You too, goodbye. Amazing! You just completed another conversation, practicing both the caller and the receptionist. That's advanced level confidence. Do you feel that transformation happening? This is the second step of your transformation. Let's lock in your practice missions for today. First, I want you to master these 10 golden sentences. Practice them 5 times during the day. Second, repeat the entire story of David booking his appointment until you can speak as smoothly as me. And third, practice the 2 full role-play rounds, maybe even recording yourself and listening back. The final secret. And now, for the secret I promised at the beginning. The simple secret that will make you feel confident every single time you pick up the phone is this. Preparation is the antidote to fear. The reason we feel nervous on the phone is because of the unknown. We don't know what the other person will say. We don't know if we will have the right words. But by mastering these 10 simple, powerful sentences, you are preparing yourself for almost any situation. You are creating a foundation of confidence. You are no longer entering the conversation with nothing. You are entering with a toolkit of phrases that you know how to use. When you are prepared, you can relax. And when you are relaxed, you can communicate. So, my challenge to you is this. For the next week, I want you to choose just one of the 10 golden sentences. And I want you to find an opportunity to use it in a real-life situation or even just in a practice role play with a friend. Choose your sentence, prepare, and then take action. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Wisdom English podcast channel to watch our next videos.